Okay, so this is the SMTTW wooden jigsaw puzzle. It has 6 puzzle in it. Each of them has its own, frame, and you can and the puzzle pieces. So let me open it and show you all the puzzles how they are packed. So first one is the car, second one is the dolphin, third one is the rocket, the fourth one is the frog, and fifth one is the bee, and the sixth and the last one is the dolphin, the penguin. So you can see all of them are real nicely and neatly packed. You also have a box in which you can store stuff after you're done when your kids are not playing. Because let's assume, because all of these things are made of wood, right? Or they also have provided you a nice bag. This is like a bag that you can fold and you can put everything in this thing if you don't want to store a box, right? So depending on your choice, I like a nice bag, and I'm also going to put it in the box actually because I like it very well organized. But you have a choice as to how you want to do it. So I really like this one. I'm going to open this one first. Okay, so you can see my daughter immediately open up the puzzle. Now we are going to make this. Ritik, can you please hold this? We are going to make a dolphin. Now this is the dolphins. Oh no, dolphin goes like this. Very nice. And then dolphin's face. Yep, Virti. It was very good. And dolphin is ready. Clap. So basically, this is like a slightly more complex puzzle than what my daughter is used to. My daughter is 16 months old. She can do puzzle where a single block fits into a single piece, and we have a lot of them. You can see in our channel. You can find a lot of Melissa and Duke puzzles. They are first level. This is like a level number 2. But since our daughter loves puzzles so much, we decided to get this one as well, so that she can do little bit more complex puzzle as she grows. And the 6 of them, they are all like unique and different, and they look really nice. So this is the bee, this is the penguin, this is the frog, and this is the car. So lot of different puzzles and no sharp edges anywhere. If you notice something, it is painted completely on all the sides and all the edges are polished completely. Not just the front but also the back. Okay, now this is the penguin puzzle. Let us see if she can. Let us her try to do it. Virti, can you please put the face here? Here, Virti, here. Yep. No, very good, very good. Virti, put face here. Can you please put the face here? Very good. No, Virti, can you? Okay. Yep. Next, we are going to do the tummy. Can you please pick up the tummy? And very nice. We have made a tummy.
This is penguin's face. Where is your face? Okay. Now first we'll put penguin face. Come on. Hold this. Put it up. Yeah. This is penguin face. Where is your hand? Yeah. Now let's put penguin's hand. This is penguin's hand. Wait. See, Mama is put penguin's hand. Okay. Now let's put okay. Now where is your tummy? Yeah. Now this is penguin's tummy. So penguin's tummy will come here. Okay. See this way. Where is your leg? Where is your foot? Where is your foot? Show me where is your foot. Yeah. So this is penguin's foot. You will put it here. So see what is this? Penguin.
Virti, you see, you also have a penguin here.
See, this penguin is also here. Penguin. Say penguin. Very good. Where is penguin's eyes? Here. Very good.
Okay, so as you can see, my daughter, we are slowly teaching my daughter to play with this puzzle. It obviously takes some time because it's like more complex. It's not like a single shape puzzle where you need to place one item in a single place. Not only you need to see the orientation of the item, but you also need to see how it's placed with respect to everything else. So, but as she grows old, we are going to start to make her teach her and get her familiar with this puzzle, and maybe teach her how to solve all of them. And the kids are naturally curious and they do try to learn. They might get frustrated, but you should not give up and try to help them solve the puzzle. Okay, thank you.